guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Untrue Legends. Today we are here in Sudbury in London Borough of Brent in northwest London, so without further ado, let's take off. Alright, it's bit hot today, literally. Like, today's absolutely scorching. So I'm going to go up to the reason why it's making that noise because we're going up to the max height. And yeah, we're just going to go to the max height and we'll do a 360 photo. And yeah, then we just zip around this area of Sudbury. I've never been here before, so never done a drone flight here before, so it's my first time. So we'll do a 360 photo here. Or actually, where's Sudbury Town? You know what? Before we do a 360 photo, I want to go towards the town because this is just the area. I want to go more towards the town centre. So we'll go towards the town centre, which is down in this area, isn't it? Or is it this area? Where's the town centre? I forgot where the town centre was. I was checking it on the Google Maps. Oh yeah, it's right here. Yeah, we're gonna go down towards there, towards the town centre. Then we do a 360 photo around the town centre. So let's go here. Let's check out this area first. There's Tesla right there, as you can see. We're going to the roundabout. Then we'll just do a 360 photo there. So let's just do a 360 photo and then we'll just zip around. Alright, 360 photo is now complete. What we'll just zip around. Before we zip around though, I'm just going to leave the drone there because I need to walk to the shade. I'm still walking across the field because I need to get proper shade. I just keep getting a shot of Sudbury, and as I do that I'll just go down because I'm going to stand there, otherwise I'll overheat because it's actually baking hot. I am wearing sunscreen, but still I don't want to get exposed to the sun too much because I'll overheat. Not only that, my phone will overheat as well and the video just become laggy and no one wants that. So just here in Sudbury, and yeah, we made it to the shade. I was standing in the shade when I just flew in Park Royal as well. I was coming from Park Royal and now I'm here, Sudbury, Brent. I've actually flown all over the London Borough of Brent now. I think I've covered every district in this borough. So I've been everywhere, pretty much a lot of places in northwest London, and that includes here in Brent as well. I've done a drone flight in Wembley, I've done a drone flight in Willesden Green, Dulles Hill, Queen's Park, covered the whole borough basically. And now I've done a drone flight in Sudbury, and now I've just pretty much done the whole borough. I mean, I've done a lot of boroughs anyway. I've done pretty much all of Tower Hamlets anyway. Because the more into London you go, the more smaller the borough is. I think I did pretty much most of Harrow as well. Look at that, we've got the town centre, Sudbury. Yeah, it's absolutely scorching today, literally. Probably the hottest day of 2026. And tomorrow's going to be even hotter than that, so yeah, it's a nice sunny day here in Sudbury. That's towards Wembley Central, isn't it? I've done a drone flight in Wembley Central as well. I wonder if we can go towards there, or it might be a bit further. We're not far from Wembley anyway. Just follow this van towards this area. Yeah, nice little open space here. It's quite confusing because there's actually another Sudbury in Norfolk. When I was searching on the maps, it took me to the Norfolk one. It was giving directions to the Norfolk one, but then also there's another Sudbury here in London. Oh, we're near North Wembley, innit? I done a drone flight in that area as well. It's crazy because we're not even that far from these areas. It's really close. Yeah, but anyway, we're not going to proceed further towards there because it's going to get too far. Let's check out more Sudbury. And I didn't charge this battery completely because, like I said, my power bank's completely knackered. It was supposed to be solar charged power bank, but I charged up the grid. So the rest of this, half of it's solar powered because when I get home, I charge it on my solar panel, and then the rest, because I usually leave it half charged because it's not good to charge it fully unless you're flying on the day. So that's what I did, and yeah, I completely messed up. Power bank was completely knackered, so I had absolutely no battery on that, so I just had to fly with a little bit of less battery as well because I charged off the grid somewhere on the way. Oops, a little bit of side wind. It's not even that windy today. Actually, you know what? It is windy a little bit. Just a gust, that's it. It's a very small gust. And in these gusts, oh, you know what? I should have waited to take off because when I flew in Park Row, it wasn't even that windy at all. And only now the wind picked up. It's just a gust. I should have waited till this gust ended. Because now I'm gonna have less battery now for no reason. I could have just easily just waited. And you know what? My battery got bare hot when I took it. When I landed in Park Row, my battery was bare hot. 53 degrees. I don't think it's good to like have it this hot because it's not good for the battery chemistry. It's gonna like mess it up. So yeah, I know it's good to fly in this hot weather because you get nice footage, but again, it's not good for the equipment. I mean, it's not that bad for the battery, but having it hot for too long can damage the battery's chemistry. So, I mean, the one I've got on my drone right now is older, this battery. It's done almost 200 cycles, believe it or not. That's actually mad. Let's check out the area of Sudbury. I'll go towards the town centre. We've been on this road, I don't think we have. So you've got a bus coming down there. We'll circle around this roundabout as well. Yeah, my drone's moving slow, bruv. Have we been down this road? I don't think we've not. Man said, I don't think we've not. Sounds so funny. Butler's Green. Should go towards the west area. Why not? Let's see what's down there. I mean, the wind's really calm today, so we should have no issues with the drone. We should, in a minute, we should see a Piccadilly line train. It's all the way down there. I wonder what the other train line's for. Might be for the Bakerloo line? No, probably not. What line is it for? Maybe for National Rail. Yep, it's for National Rail. You can see a train going past there. Look at that. You can hear that. It's a what train is it? I can't really see. I know the Chiltern Railways run past this area. That's probably towards the Metropolitan line area. of Brent. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna land my drone in a minute. 33%. Yeah, wind's a bit too strong. I don't understand, it's just the gust, you know. Let's explore the neighbourhood of Sudbury. Let's go to the station. I'm gonna take my drone to the station. Yeah, I'll send my drone to the station and we'll just get a shot of the station quickly. It's quite a big station, you know. Like, I didn't bring my camera today because yeah, why is it moving so bare slow, bruv? I don't understand. It's moving really slow because nice little area in northwest London. It's like pretty much quiet compared to the rest of the area. Little quiet neighbourhood. Not much activity happening here, but we do get the town centre. Look at that, nice shot. Good shot of this building down there. Ah, shit. I left my 360 camera on this whole time and it's baking hot. It's really hot.
Battery level is low.
Anyway, we're gonna land the drone now.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10
Yeah,
seconds.
there's the station. Let's quickly nip to the station quickly. So that's Sudbury Station. It's getting too hot now, my phone. So I think it's a good time to land. I want to quickly get a shot of this area though. Get a shot of this train station. And then we'll land the drone now. So yeah, that was my nice drone shot here in London Borough of Brent, Sudbury, northwest London. Looks like we're going to clip the tree, look. If I completely press it down, we're going to hit the tree. Looks like we almost are, but we're calm and I'm pressing it upwards anyway. Look at that, that's sick. Imagine that complete sending the drone down, like what I did a few drone flights ago in Brentwood. Ooh, alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Sudbury, in the London Borough of Brent, in northwest London. Hope you enjoyed this drone flight, and yeah, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.